What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm headed to Mississauga Square One for the One Piece Miniso Collab thing, and I just wanted to check it out. I might as well, it's ending soon, and I just wanted to make this video for anybody that maybe didn't get a chance to go there but wants to see what it's like. I'm gonna be going there and taking videos and stuff, so I'll show you guys what it's like. But I'm about to pick up one of my friends, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so here it is. Look at this. You can take a picture with this little one-set poster here. Yeah. Here, give me your phone, give me your phone. Give me your phone? Huh? Give me your phone. I'll take one after too. Alright. Yeah. Yo, we got Luffy and Nami. And look at this guy. This guy's so happy. This guy's so happy. Sheesh. Hey, look at you. Yo, so we got some merch here. Look at this, $229. Chopper, the flip-flop. There's a drawing tablet here. Pretty cool. And we got some card holders as well. Got some backpacks right here. Yo, this is so cool, bro.
Big.
Drinking cup?
Yeah. It's not bad too. I'd say this is cool.
What are these? What is this? Blanket? Oh, like a flag, like a towel, flag or something? No. But anyway, we got shopper hats, Luffy hats, Zoro, Sanji, and just One Piece hats.
Bro, Renee would kill me if she sees all of these things.
And we got some plushies. So you're gonna buy this. Let me show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
No, it's probably
That wants it.
How much is this? That's so sick, bro. What is this? there. Put the. Open it. Wait. Put the thing there. I don't think it's gonna fit.
I mean, it kinda does.
Open.
Alright, show your haul so far. You got. Wait, come. So this is what we got so far. Alright, time to check out, y'all. Y'all ready? Yeah. Let's go.
I think I got the most out of everybody.
What other thing does he do?
Yeah.
Wait, where is his other hand?
You want to straw hat? That's crazy.
Alright, bag secured. Alright guys, so I'm finally home and I just want to show you guys quickly what I bought. I actually just bought one thing for myself and I bought like 2 other stuff, but they're like for someone else. But anyway, I'm just going to show you. So I bought this. This is a drawing tablet. I don't really need one, I just thought it was cool and you know, I decided to buy it. So basically, here, I'll open it for you guys. So this is what you get. It's inside this little case thingy. Is there anything else inside? Nope, there's nothing else inside. But let's do this. So as you can see, there's a little mark there. So all you have to do is press this button to erase it. So basically it's just a drawing tablet here. So you could draw. Can the camera even pick that up? Oh, there it is. Okay, so let me try to show you a better look. So if I erase it, yeah, it's just a drawing tablet. And to erase it, you just press this button right here, and that's it. So yeah, that's what I got for myself. And on the back, it has this nice One Piece Luffy design. Pretty cool. So let me put this aside for now. And the other one is just the same thing. This is slightly smaller, and I didn't actually realize that it was slightly smaller until like afterwards. But I'm gonna show you guys. Let me open it up. Alright, so here it is. It's a bit smaller. The design in the back is this wanted poster. So it's Monkey D. Luffy in his Gear 5 form. Pretty cool. And as you can see, there's already like marks on it. So if you just press this, it should go away. Oh, maybe I have to like turn it on. Oh, there you go. So there's like a switch over here. Same thing for the other one, by the way. I didn't get to show it, but basically there's a switch right here. I guess that's to turn it on and off. So that's, if I do this, it's gonna go away. Or no. If I switch it and then do this, there you go. It goes away. See? See, that's pretty cool. And the last thing is just a keychain. Yeah, there's not much to it. It's just a little keychain. I just thought it was cool, and I'm getting it for somebody else, not for me. So that's it. That's all I bought. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Miniso One Piece collab that was in Square One. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also follow my social. I'll put them on the screen and leave links to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll put a link to it in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.